Hey ninjas! Today we are going to align vertices on an axis. First, select your object that you want to align. Go to Edit mode and select that side of the vertices. In my case, it's X-axis. Press S to scale while holding X, then hit 0, and boom! Here you have aligned it on X-axis. Let's do this for top part too. Select all vertices. Scale it on Z-axis by pressing 0 point, and these are also aligned with the Z-axis. We can do this same method for another object too. Let's see here. So this is how you guys can align vertices on specific axis. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next one.